As fall eases into central Alabama, with it comes plenty of holidays, festive gatherings that are sure to bring out the crowds. There are a few things to keep in mind, though, before you or your loved ones are hitting the road. To help, we've turned to the experts like Craig Shirley. He's an attorney with Hollis, Wright & Clay. Craig, thanks so much for coming in this morning.
Thanks, Catherine. Yeah, appreciate it.
I got to ask first, are you excited about football season?
I was until last week. I'm unfortunately an Auburn fan, so it was,
sorry for you.
we're kind of used to it now, but it's a rough start.
Oh, no.
You know? So,
We've all been there.
Yes,
You
we
know,
have.
we can
Yeah,
all
yeah.
commiserate, certainly.
That's
Yes. And we're talking about a lot of these, fun events. If you're maybe going to see one of those Auburn games, hitting the road for a fun weekend, there are some things to keep in mind whenever, we're trying to keep everybody safe. What are some tips for people?
Yeah, so unfortunately, car accidents, people traveling this time of the year, a lot of people on the roads, car accidents are inevitable. So a lot of things that we like to talk about are how do we...
I'm going to reach right here, Craig.
Yeah.
We're going to fix your mic so we can actually hear you. Yeah. There we go. Now, please continue.
That's the problem, Catherine. You left me up to the mic, and I always mess these things up,
Oh,
you know?
you are totally great, Craig. We got it. We fixed it.
Yeah, but no, good. So these car accidents are inevitable. So we talk about things to do after the car accident happens. Mm-hmm. And the first thing is make sure that, you're fine. You assess your injuries, your passenger's injuries. And then once you're okay and you've assessed that you're okay, call 911, get emergency medical personnel to the scene, start documenting that accident because, like I said, they are inevitable. People get hurt. It's a fact of life, unfortunately. But making sure that that's documented so that you can be compensated for those injuries down the road is vitally important.
Certainly. What happens when you're in a wreck? And again, we hope these things don't happen, but it's good to talk about them because you know for sure that they do happen. What if the other driver is uninsured?
And we see that all the time. The fact is that Alabama law requires every driver to have automobile liability insurance. Mm-hmm. And even though it's required by law, we see it every day. We have clients call in and say, hey, I was just rear-ended. I was hurt in a collision, but the other driver does not have insurance. What do I do? And, I tell clients and really anybody that'll listen, so it's good we're doing this, that you need to review your own insurance policy, your automobile insurance policy, to make sure that you have what is called uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Mm-hmm. It's a coverage that every insurer in the state of Alabama has to offer you. And most people have it and they don't know it, because if you don't want it, you actually have to sign in writing rejecting that coverage. And it's there to protect you in the event that you are in a collision with somebody who doesn't have insurance, who unfortunately is not following the law.
Mm-hmm. This time of year, again, we're talking about people out on the roads. There are so many events to go to, so many fun things to do with the family. What types of cases do you all see through the fall and winter? Is there something that you all see again and again and again this time of year?
Well, we see the whole gamut, really. Like I said earlier, with the football season and holidays, there's just a ton of people on the road. And, we see car accidents kind of tick up this time of year. With people traveling at Christmas, you have people hosting gatherings or, entities that are hosting Christmas parties. We see folks that'll, put on these parties and these events, but they'll have something about the premises that's unsafe and they won't warn the folks that are coming, and people will be injured by that, whether it be a rug sticking up, a wooden plank, or, missing stair on the back deck. There's all sorts of stuff that we see because this time of year there's just more folks gathering and traveling that it's just inevitable that something's going to happen, unfortunately.
Certainly. So, of course, you want to be as prepared as you possibly can be. What's the best way to contact your firm? You
can reach us on Google, Hollis Wright, our website. You can give us a call at the office at 205-324-3600 or 844-LAW-TALK. Call in. We'd love to talk to you.
Wonderful. Craig, thanks so much for your time this
Absolutely.
morning. Great to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you.